Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix payout pending in Stockx. Now the payout is basically when you try to get your money out of this platform, and basically it is different than paying because instead of you paying the platform now is paying you. So what is basically the solution for this problem? Now make sure that when you try to go to the setting here and you had installed your payment method or the payout method, you have actually respected the rules of it. So the rules are simple. If you are in the United States, you have the access to Venmo, PayPal, bank transfer, and another one. But for other location, you are only able to 100% have the access to PayPal as a payout or bank transfer depending on your location. You need to contact the support team to understand the location, rules, etc. So, if you had anything beside what I've mentioned, you are not going to receive your money, and basically your payout is going to be pending. Now, on the other hand, there is other platforms or people that are suffering from the same thing, as you can see. So my payout's been pending for like a month. What do I do? As you can see here. So, have you been prompted to verify your identity? This is the first thing. So this is literally the most important thing to do, which is to verify your identity. So just go here and verify your identity through this area, as you will be seeing right here. The second thing, as people are saying, this is a moderator, so guys, make sure to follow his rules. So go to Stockx app, settings, hyper wallet, and login. You should be able to view any incoming or pending payments and possibly be required to update your tax information, etc. to receive final payouts. So this is very important to follow. And this guy, guys, if you were interested in the Stockx news, this guy is a moderator in the Stockx. So make sure to follow whatever he says. He's a very much support team in here. And yeah, these are the main solutions. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.